Hi! In front of me is HonorPad X8 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Autofill. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then scroll down again, click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and then Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one. So in order to fix it, click on this gear at the top right corner and make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Then log into any of your apps and click Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do that, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then enter any website or click on Select App. Tap on the chosen one. And over here, input all of those informations. Username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you're done, hit save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!